Now we are going to design a pimped button. We are going to design button like this, and we get a effects like this. Now I teach you clearly explain how to create a button, pimped button. This button is named as pimped. So let's jump into project. Let's clear this, create a new project. And I need a package called pimped. From Google you can import this pimped package. We need to import this package to design a button like this. Go to installing page and copy the dependency. Now paste it in the spec.yaml file. I already placed this pubget and write pubget to get the dependency. Wait for few seconds. Completed. Let's jump into our programming. Void main, create a stateless widget. Material lab, we need to create a stateful widget for designing this page. Home, and I also use debug show my banner to avoid the checked box. Let's create a stateful widget to design this. Now we are going to design a pimped buttons like this. For this, going to safe area, use safe area package to avoid redundancies. Scaffold, inside scaffold we need to place a column like this, so we use app bar function. App bar, title, we give title as pimped button. We give style as black color. Color property, we use colors dot black. Let's save and see what happening. It's reloading. Yeah, it's pimped button only displayed. We need app bar color as white, so change the property. Colors dot white. Now we get white color, and we don't need the elevations, so elevations 0, and we need a title in the center, so we use center property. Enter title true. We got the title centered as pimped button. Now we are going to design the body part of our app. Clear this to get a clear view. In the body part we need a column to place many buttons. Main axis alignment, I will explain why this main axis alignment we are using. Simply use children. Now I create one raised button. No, pimped button inside a raised button. Pimped button particle. Use demo particle for this designing. Demo particle, and inside the pimped widget we create an anonymous function context, and we create a controller for this. controller return. We are going to return a raised button. We are going to implement a deprecate this package to avoid the warnings. Inside on pressed, we controller dot forward from 0.0. After I save some error, I missed a semicolon here. After saving this, also I get a error somewhere. Return raised button expected to find. Here I missed a semicolon, that's why error got. When I run this is in the top. We need this as a center, so I use main axis alignment dot center and I save this. And also I need a cross axis alignment to make this a center. Cross axis alignment dot center. Here it comes center. We don't need this, so delete cross axis alignment. Inside a raised button, we need to place some text. So child text button 1, and I save this. Button 1 is displayed here. We need to place this here and center. So main axis alignment center. We need this as start. Here it comes a center. Now I make a cross axis alignment as also start. These and all are trial and error methods. Designing is basically trial and error. We design and check and we redesign those models. We place a pimped buttons inside the padding container to get a space in the left side only. Using left property, we get a distance inside the left. Top also we need a distance, so I use a size box property. Height 15. When I save this, we get a button like this. If we press this, the button is glowing like this. We need a space in the top extra. We can able to modify the color of riser button. Colors dot red. We modified this. Now we create a button like this with the different designs. Copy the sizer box including padding completely. Copy and we paste this and save. We get another button like this. We don't need this much space here, so I get give only 70. We make a demo particle design as a rectangle 2D demo particle. When I save this and press like this both designs somewhat varies. When we watch minutely, the design may vary somewhat, so we need to create a button, copy button like this another. So copy and paste and then save. Repeat the process. We get another button. We place a rectangle 3 demo particles and I save this. Gets another type of design. Now I change the text. This as a button 3, this as button 2, and I change the color of those particle. Red as blue, black I typed wrongly, blue gray. Somewhat color you give yellow. And I save this, I get a button 2, button 3. These designs are varies. We may use these designs anywhere of your complete project. Here I am teaching somewhat designs, how we use specified buttons. You can include this into your big projects to make projects look classy. Button 3, button 4, and a rectangle demo particle. I change this design as rectangle demo particles. There are many packages and designs available. We can use any number of any other packages. Colors dot, we give now color as a green accents. I save this. I get button 4. I get another design. These 4 buttons are very designs. So that's all. Now we created a pimped buttons, 4 buttons with 4 different designs. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.